Equipment.
What's up, you guys? Today's a short video on how to pair your device, your smartphone, to the Airlift 3P, 3H, or 3S system. All right, the first thing that we're going to do to get into the back door of the ECU is push the airlift button with either the bottom or the top button in relation to the airlift button, and that'll get you in the back door. Then you're going to toggle down to operation and then toggle all the way down to Bluetooth pair. We're going to activate that, turning it on your device. After you've uploaded or downloaded the app, you're just going to hit discover manifolds. Now you just need the Bluetooth on. That's it. The manifold's going to pop right up. You're going to click on it, and that's going to get you connected. Now we are Bluetooth ready. It's that quick and that easy. That's it. That was just a short video for you guys. We're here to help you out. If you ever have any questions, you can call us at 909-802-0721 or find us on Instagram at Air Ride Equipment, all normal spelling. And one last thing. Oh yeah, that's right. They want me to tell you, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We'll see you next time.